Hi guys, we are making bread. What kind of bread is this? What is the name?
Full wheat, carrot,
Yes, and
sunset.
actually I forgot to video the first what we did. Okay, so first we prepare the wheat flour. This is 1 kilo, guys. Because we are going to bake 2 of this. So what we did, this we will fill the half or 500 grams here and 500 grams here. So we did 1 kilo. So the first thing what we did that we did not video because I forgot. Where is the yeast? Is this yeast? Yes, this one. The pangpaalsa or pangpatubo. Ano siya, guys? Nagbutang mi og 3 teaspoons of this. Pangpatubo man na siya. Then, after that, nagbutang mi or we put 2 teaspoons of sugar. Because we don't have white sugar, we put brown sugar. Okay, mo na siya, guys. Then, 1 liter for 1 kilograms of flour, we put 1 liter of water. It is important that not hot, not cold. It's only a lukewarm water. So, the instruction that we followed, we have to wait 10 minutes before mixing it. So, we will wait for 10 minutes.
At that time, we prepare the carrots.
Yeah. Another ingredients, we have to put the pumpkin seeds, the carrot, and where is the sunflower seeds?
Yesterday it was here.
Yeah, we also put sunflower seeds. Yeah. We are going to put sunflower seeds also. Okay, so now he is peeling the carrots. Actually, guys, this is our first time we bake bread here in the Philippines. So we will wait for it after 10 minutes, then we will go back.
I have to mix it, or
Yes.
immediately?
Okay, guys, after 10 minutes, you have to add the carrots. Yes. Carrots, the sunflower seeds, and the pumpkin. That is pumpkin. Then I put everything. Oh. Okay, that's pumpkin seeds. Then next is... Oh, what's that? The sunflower seeds. Okay.
I'm doing my bread now.
Oh my God, pick up. Because this is our first time to do it. We don't know what will be the result. Okay, next, after 10 minutes of mixing, you have to add salt. Yeah, it's mixing now. You have to add salt. Okay, wait for it. We will add salt after.
That will need time. You can stop.
Yes. Okay, guys, because I am the only helper here, we already put the 3 teaspoons of salt, and we also put, okay, I will show you around, 3 teaspoons of olive oil. So now he continue mixing it. Yes, until it will blend together, and the next of that we will put in a baking pan. Yes.
Okay, now we let it stay.
Yes. Let's stay for 20 minutes. Then after 20 minutes, we will put in the baking pan. The reason why kinahanglan siya guys nga stay for 20 minutes para mo alsa or mutubo pa siya or to make the bread grow or the dough. Okay. I will be back later. Okay guys, we are preparing the baking paper while waiting for the 20 minutes of setting the dough of the bread. So guys,
Cut here.
gunting muna po daw. Here?
Yeah. Okay.
And here also. And here. And here. Okay. Wait lang guys, kung noon sa langit. Anong tanawin kung sakto ba na? Okay, lagi ito. Meron pa naman pag-bake guys. Sa ilang mga guys, sa Germany, naa sila machine na good ito. Pag maghindi siya o bread. We have to put oil.
No. Oh,
Okay, butter.
right. Maybe. If you're right. We don't need it. With paper.
It's okay.
I think we don't need it. The paper is.
Because when I saw first time on YouTube, they spray it. I'll spray.
I believe we don't need it because we can remove it very easily.
Yeah, it's okay. That's your decision.
Okay.
The other one,
No, I will put
it's
this.
already 20 minutes.
I don't know. I didn't saw it. We can put it inside.
Wait. Kadali lang dong, ha?
What are you looking for? This one, maybe? You will take this one? Okay.
Okay, amo na siyang i-fill na lang na guys. Hindi namin maghulat ng 20 minutes kayo. Hindi rin namin maghulat. Kaya na akong ibutang sa oven.
Okay, this is the half.
Okay. Ano na siya guys? Isang talong na ibutang. Okay. Ka. Excited ni kaayo ning akong kuan guys. Cook. Ang akong baker guys. Okay, excited. Okay. Excited sa akong baker guys. Kat. Sinilubig yung kapra. Kat sa punuan. Ito siya sa pitas. Pagubok. Pagubok sa ang trabaho guys. Pagubok. Okay siya guys. Tubo na siya niya taod-taod after 20 minutes. Yan, suliban sa oven. Ambot lang kung sa resulta ni guys. Marabaya ni gaduwa-duwa. Sige lang. Kung ma-failed man gani, okay lang. Mga pamantag sugod. Guys, ready na ang duha ka baking pan. And puno na po siya. Then, yan ang preheat ang oven. How many degrees? 250?
150, yes. But
Yeah.
it's maximum. We don't have 150.
Preheat na niya ang 250, guys. So, after 20 minutes of waiting, we will put the two pan inside. Okay? Magkita ta. Sunod, guys. Pag magsugod na miog. Pag-ibutang na namo ang among bread. Among duha ka inventions. But lang. Okay, guys. See you later. Muna siyang ibutang sa oven. Nalang ko correction ganina, guys. Dito siya 250.
75.
Yeah. 175 degree. Yes. Ang imong preheated oven. Yan na nang isulod, guys. Yan ang isulod. Duha. Then we will wait 20 minutes, guys. Pag after 20 minutes, igawa siya. Then after that, we have to cover aluminum foil so that dili masunog ang bread sa ibabaw. Then another 20 minutes na po. Then that's it. Luto na din siya, guys. Ano lang kadali. See you later again, guys. Babu. Guys, after 20 minutes, we will check. Then, in the instruction, we have to cover with the aluminum foil.
Maybe.
Okay.
It is very, very white in the moment. I will give it a little bit more hot. It is not like
Okay, let's try.
it's not ready.
Yeah, not yet.
Okay. I will give him a little bit more
Time.
time to.
How many minutes?
I think 5 minutes more,
Okay, 5 minutes more.
and then I will cover it.
Yes, okay. Okay. Another 5 minutes daw, guys. Yes, that is good because it's burning. Okay. Return. And see you again after 5 minutes. Nice. Now, the additional 5 minutes is over. Then, he will take out. You have to be careful. Use the. Okay.
Chopsticks. Remove the.
I am? Really? Okay. So it's done. Use the hand gloves. Okay. He will cover now with the foil. Okay, and then he will return. And he said it's very hot. Oh, careful. The other one. We'll return the other one also after covering. He said it's very hot, guys. Okay, we will wait.
The next 20 minutes.
We will wait another 20 minutes. Okay.
35.
Okay. See you again later, guys. Nice. Now, we think that it's already cooked. We hope.
Yes.
Our invented bread. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Wow, what it looks like. Wow. Check, check, check. Check, check. Check it with a toothpick. I hope this is really a bread what we expected.
Here, no, yes.
Ready go?
Can be, but
Wow.
it's a little bit.
Yeah, you tried to slice one, I think.
Mhm.
Yeah.
What do you think? I believe it is a little bit.
Mm.
I need a little bit more time.
Ah,
I believe that is my feeling from what I can feel. I don't know what.
okay, maybe give more 10 minutes like that.
Okay, we try to.
Okay.
And I remove it now.
Okay. He will give 10 minutes more, guys, because he is not contented of what he saw a while ago on the chopstick, sorry. Toothpick.
It looks good. It looks good.
Yes, but smells good also. Okay. Have,
Ah,
yes, you did not open yet. Guys, our house is not really done yet. No cabinets yet. Because this is newly built house. So, you can see there's no cover in here. Okay. Then, that's it. We'll wait for the next 10 minutes. Guys, we hope that all is well. And cook already. Okay, let's see. I hope it's already done. And well done. Smells really good.
it looks very good.
This is a wheat bread, guys, with plenty of seeds. Sunflower seeds and
Spoken. Ah,
pumpkin.
that feels much better.
And with
That is a little
carrots.
What is klebrig? Bloom. Ah, here. It feels a little bit. What do you think?
Yeah, still there is
It
a
is
bit.
not ready.
Yeah.
Yes, it's not ready. We have to put it inside.
Yeah, again. Naunsa naman ni guys. Dungaga na po. Murag hilaw pang tunga. Sige lang, sige lang. Pero mayroon pa man po din namong himo yun guys. So, di, lain naman po og hilaw no. Kaya di man po makaon. So, ibalik na po namo. Okay na na. Ang importante, nga maluto siya. Yun na importante diha guys. Oh, you turned off. Yeah. No, ginay importante diha. Okay. So, maghulat na po niya ni guys. Og how many minutes? We'll give another 10 minutes for it.
More as 10 minutes,
Okay.
I believe.
More? Okay. So,
More as 10 minutes.
okay, we'll give 20 minutes. Okay, bye. Guys, luto na jud siya, guys. Yeah, we sliced it in the center. See? Lami kayo siya tanawon, guys. Lami kayo. But we will cool it down first. So that, balaan gid nato, guys, kung unsa iyang lasa. Unya pa namin siya tilawan. Amo sang pabugnawon. Ano siya, guys. Pagkagwapa kay siya tanawon ba? Tanawon. Tang na ni Manoy. Da, kainit ko no. Init daw kaayo. Kabugnawon sa namo na guys. Ayan. Bala na to na kung unsay kalamian ni pagbugnaw na. Brown kay siya guys. It's a brown bread. Okay, see you later again guys when kanang magkuan na mi ba, mag-tasting na mi ba. Okay. Guys, nag-testing na mi guys. Itawag butter ang ibabaw. Lami siya guys, lami kayo. Ganahan na siya guys. Yung nagkaon siya noon. Wala nagihulat og cool down. Butangan ko kan butter. Kaya nga crunchy niya guys sa ibabaw. Butangan butter. Okay guys. Magbabay na ko guys ha. Salamat kaayo. I hope makasabot mo sa akong video. But anyways, mo na siya guys. First time na mo nag-bake. Hindi na po kong gitagaan. Tagaan na po ko niya. Nabusogin ko ani. Para ba minangaon pa niyo ito. Make good siya guys. Okay guys. See you next. Mag-upload na po kong naing video. Ganagana naman akong video guys. Pero mas nice kung inyo kong i-follow. Bye-bye. Salamat. Love. Mama. Chup chup.